What's the meaning of backboard? Backboard. Backboard.
Backboard. Backboard. A backboard is a flat surface typically made of wood, fiberglass, or acrylic that is mounted vertically behind a basketball hoop. Its primary function is to act as a target for the ball and prevent it from bouncing out of the play area. In addition to this, backboards also provide a solid surface for players to use as leverage when attempting to make shots or rebounds. Certain types of backboards can also be adjusted to different angles to allow for more advanced play. The material used to construct the backboard can have an effect on the ball's bounce and the overall feel of the game.